Yeah, so Apple just released the MacBook Neo and with just $599, this is what you get. So starting at the color, Apple released 4 colors. So with the pink, they have the space blue or like that color. They also have the yellow and they have the normal silver color that we are used to. So with this, you are getting the A18 Pro chip with Apple Intelligence. So basically the same chipset with the iPhone 16 series. Yeah, so the 16 Pro and the 16e chipsets here. So basically, if you are coming from an older model of the MacBook, let's say the Intel based, you might consider upgrading to this if you're on a budget. So let's say you have iPhone 11, you can just add this to it and you are good to go. So basically for students, I think this is the best deal for you because of the pricing and what it's capable of doing. It also has a 1080p front camera for video calls. Yeah, so you are getting a 13-inch liquid retina display. You can be able to pair your iPhone with the MacBook, so you can be using it simultaneously. So transferring files, apps and other stuff won't be a hassle for you. It's just simple. You just send and receive files within seconds. Yeah, you are also getting up to 16 hours of battery life with this MacBook. So for a new MacBook, this price and these specs, I'm really impressed with what Apple is doing this year with the Neo series here. So this is the first ever MacBook with just such a name. So MacBook Neo, basically with a less chipset. So if you are a heavy user like let's say Photoshop, After Effects, video editing and Blender and all those things, this is not the MacBook for you. You just get the M chip and you are good to go. But if you're a student and you're an office worker, they even integrated the Microsoft Suite in it. So you have the PowerPoint, MS Word and a whole lot for you. So it's just simple. You just need to log into your account and you are good to go. All your office needs and softwares are already installed within the MacBook. So you just need to sign in and just continue with whatever work you have within your work suite, or the Microsoft Suite, with Wi-Fi 6. And basically these are the specs of the MacBook Neo. This is the first impression. So it starts shipping March 11. So let me know if you're going to get one for yourself, and I can't wait to see your unboxing videos. For me, I can't afford this for now, so if you want to help the channel grow so we can be able to unbox big gadgets like this, make sure you subscribe, you share to a friend as well.